Hi all, welcome back. And today we will see about Gay-Lussac's law of gaseous volumes. First, we will see about the statement of this law. What is the statement? When gases react together, they do so in volumes which bears a simple whole number ratio, provided that the temperature and pressure of all the reacting gases and the products remains constant. ये लॉ का स्टेटमेंट क्या बोलता है कि जब गैसेस रिएक्ट करते हैं they do so in volumes and giving you a simple whole number ratio. We'll take an example to understand this. That is hydrogen plus oxygen gives you water. Now, this was observed by Gay-Lussac that when you're taking 100 ml of hydrogen and reacting with 50 ml of oxygen, it gives you 100 ml of water. Okay, hydrogen 100 ml we are taking, oxygen 50 ml we are taking and giving you water. So what is the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen? Okay, that is over here is 2:1. So this is a whole number ratio, a fixed whole number ratio. Okay, but the condition is that the temperature and pressure of the reacting gases and the products should be constant. यानी temperature और pressure अगर आपने reaction का change कर दिया, then this law will not be verified. ये law verified नहीं होगा. इसलिए statement ये है कि ये condition, that is when gases react together, they do so in volumes and giving you a ratio, provided that the temperature and pressure of the reacting gases and the products वो कैसा होना चाहिए? That should be constant. Okay, it is a very simple law. Now next we will see about Avogadro's law. Okay, what is Avogadro's law? That we will see first. What is the statement? It states that equal volume of all the gases contain equal number of molecules at the same temperature and pressure. The equal volumes of all the gases contains equal volume of all the gases contains equal number of molecules at the same temperature and pressure. Example we are taking of chlorine gas. Say for example we are having a vessel, we are having a chlorine gas. The capacity of this vessel, that is we are taking 100 ml, and say for example it is having 20 molecules of chlorine. Okay, 20 molecules of chlorine we are having. Then if you are taking hydrogen gas and again same volume we are taking, then what is happening? The number of molecules will be same. That means what? That any gas you take, okay, if their volumes are same, I'm taking two gases over here, chlorine and hydrogen. I've taken the volume as same 100 ml. Then they contain same number of molecules. Okay, now if you're taking oxygen gas, okay, and that also volume is same, then it will be again 20 molecules of oxygen gas. But the condition is that the temperature and pressure of all these gases must be same. Again, if we are changing these conditions, temperature and pressure, then this also will get changed. So this was Avogadro's law. It is very simple.